Welcome back to Belly Dance class. This is lesson 4 of Shape Up with Belly Dance, where we're toning our bodies and calming and reinvigorating our minds as we learn the art of belly dance. If this is your first time joining us and you're a beginner, consider going back and doing lessons 1, 2, and 3 before this one. But if you want a challenge, stick with us because we do a lot of review and then go back and do the others later. I'm Jensuya, this is Bob, and you've been here before, so you know the drill. What are we starting in? That's right, basic posture with our feet where? Yep, close together, knees. That's right, bent, hips tucked in, abs in and up, chest lifted. Arms out here in basic. Take a deep breath in. On the exhale, I want you to lift your arms slowly and bring them together. Now watch this, we're gonna pull our elbows back, bend a little more, abs in and up, tuck, hold it right here. Getting balanced, feeling the energy from the ground, feeling very grounded in our feet, lifted from our waist up. Bring one foot up. And the other. That one's a little harder for me. How about you? I have to work on strengthening that leg. Bring our arms down. Let's do some arcing arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now let's take them straight forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. As if we're painting the wall in front of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2. Snake arms, 1 arm up and 1, 2, 3. Bend those knees, 1, 2, 3. Pull the abs in, chest up, 1, 2. Into pose Iowa, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. It's feeling more comfortable now, isn't it? Have you been practicing doing this several times during the week or some of the others? Practice makes perfect, and it gets you in tone too. 1, 2. Snake arms in pose Iowa, feeling the music. 1, 2, 3. We start by just counting the beat. Now, you know how we're going up and down with our arms? We're going to do the same thing, but right here. Basic posture, abs in and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm bringing a hand. When it comes down, it goes inside the arm. 3, 4. What do you think? 1, 2. Really working our posture, our balance, and we're toning these arms. Arms get left out a lot, don't they? And we certainly don't want flabby arms. Now you'll notice one of my tricks. Look at this. Out here, small snake arms. I wear these armbands because 1, I think they look cool, and 2, they hold that stuff in. So if you have that issue, get some armbands. I actually did an armband, an unboxing for one of these things. Check it out on the channel in the costuming playlist. Okay, how about this one? This one will be a little bit different. Still in basic. We're going to cross and open, open. Now the thing we want to do here is when we cross, we don't want to cave the chest. So keep it open, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, and open, 2, 3. We're really stretching out the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3. How did that feel? Pretty a little bit different than we've been doing, right? But again, just doing some basic arm motions, really extending the arm, and gives it a beautiful look of dance. Okay, what else have we learned? That's right, we've learned our hip lifts and hip drops. So let's go and practice those. So we're going to learn a new little variation. Again, in pose Iowa, toes on the floor, abs in and up. We can put a hand up here and one out here. And we're going to go lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop. And faster, drop, 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 drop. Now we're going to twist it. Twisting hip drops. Drop, drop, drop. Remember this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. To the other side. Might as well dance our hands through it. Pose Iowa. Get your balance. Check it. Yep. There. You got it. Hip drops. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift. Now focus on the drop. Drop, 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 drop. Focusing just on the drop. Now twist it. Twist and drop, 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 twist. See how we move the hands. Gives it a different look. And it kind of, it's just fun to dance through it. Twisting hip drops. What do you think? Good? Last one. Okay, the next move that we're going to learn, we're going to add to that hip drop, and it's going to be a hip drop kick. And this was one of my favorite moves. I know, you're like, Jensuya, you always say it's your favorite move because I love them all. But this one, it seemed really tricky to me, and it took a long time so I could figure it out. So we do our drop, and when we do our drop, we're going to then release our foot, and we kind of turn it inwards, sort of a kick. So it's going to go like this. It's going to go drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, really testing your balance, release, drop, release. Whoa, drop, release. Wow, drop. It's harder than slow. Shall we try to speed it up? Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, drop, release. Really working the lower legs as well. You might be sore tomorrow, so be sure to stretch after this. Let's go to the other side. Ready? How do you like that? Isn't that a great move? It's a really classic belly dance move, and it really gets you in shape. Knees, hips, toes, check the balance. Really gonna work it. Keep our arms, let's put them here for now. So we're gonna go drop, and then the next time we drop, we're gonna drop it and release it. Drop it, release it, drop it, release it, drop it, release it. Faster. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, drop, release. How's your balance? Whew. I can feel this standing foot clenching. I'm trying to right now relax it. Drop, release. Keep that smile going. Do you feel all this stuff working? Drop, release, drop, release. Is that enough? Let's work some upper body so that we give all of that stuff a rest in basic posture. Remember we did our hip slides, chest slides, side to side, where our bottom of our ribs were parallel to the floor. Remember that? So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Still knees bent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sliding side to side faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Really focus on keeping the weight on the inside of your feet with this, because really we're sending our center of gravity over to the sides, and it's, we're working hard in our legs to keep our body upright and keep this motion just in the upper body. Okay, let's switch to front and back. Front and back. Front and back. Front and back. Speed it up now. You ready? Here we go. Front, back, front, back. You know what we say, better than crunches. And boy, is this getting, it's just, there's so many different, I think I read there's 1,700 muscles in the body, so how many do you think we've covered? We're doing a lot though, aren't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, shall we? There's another one. We can do our chest twist. Now you're like, Jensuya, are those actually belly dance moves? Well, they're really I call them the motions that build up moves when we do things like this. But this is a great way to start. And in fact, wait a minute, beat. Here we go. 1, 2, thank you, 4, 1. So if you really, like, I really love this stuff because I find it very soothing to the mind to just think about the drum and the motion. And I think it helps to reset the mind when we've got so much craziness going on in our lives, especially with online stuff. I mean, that's why we're able to dance together, but still, it can be really crazy. So we have a whole line of classes called the Range of Motion classes on our online school, school.jensuya.com. So 3, 4. If you like this, check those out. There's a preview. And I go into great detail where we talk about the beat and that rhythm Bob plays so much of, melody. And so you're like, Jensuya, stop chattering because my shoulders are done. Okay, right, all right. Now, what else can we practice? How about those double hip drops? Remember those? So knees bent, abs in and up. And we're gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Do you remember what we did before? Counting with our arms going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called layering moves. 1, 2, 3. And it's that beat that we're using. The beat is our common thread between our arms and our hips. And this is very challenging to the brain. Can you tell? 1, 2, 3. Better than crosswords. I like it better. I think you do too, because we love to dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting our brains in shape as well as our bodies. 1, 2. Now, if we hold our hands up here and we take these double hip drops faster, what are we going to end up with? That's right, vertical hip shimmies. Faster, 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 faster. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we work on our shoulder shimmies? Go into pose Iowa. Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. 2. Remember that? Layering. Oh my gosh, how many layers do we have going on here? Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Trying to keep all of my weight on that standing leg, not on the toes. Whoa. How was that? Pretty good? Okay, now you want a super challenge? I mean, why not? So if we take this shimmy and then layer on a slide, sideways slide. So we're gonna get our shimmy going on automatic. Now we're gonna take it sideways with the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? Crazy, right? Should we try it with our hips? Let's do our vertical hip shimmy. Get it going on automatic. And then we can slide it to the side, slide it to the side. We can make it look bigger by pulling our hand out. How's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like mine's getting messy right now. How about you? Was yours getting a little messy? Takes a lot of practice, very slowly. 1, 2, getting your moves precise, and then speed it up. Wow. Pretty good. What should we practice next? Okay, let's go back into pose Iowa and do our hip drop kicks. In and up. Here we go. And drop, kick, drop, kick, drop and 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 kick to the other side. Here we go. Balance. Drop and kick, 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 drop. How about twisting hip drops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick, drop. Other side. Was that fun? Kind of a little combination. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, and back. Drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick. Wow. Do you see how just some basic moves And we can add some variation, put them in different poses, pose Iowa or basic over here, or add on some of our slides. We could have gone front and back. Let's do that with our shoulder shimmy. So we'll do our shoulder, as we wrap up our class, we'll do our shoulder shimmy. Can you roll that drum, Bob? I know he can. So here's this. Now, let's layer on a front and back slide with the rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Pretty awesome, right? You know the drill. When you want more, do another class. Do another follow-along class when you want less chatter. Do the beginner drills where we work on just one move, nice and slow. And when you want to delve deeper into the art of belly dance, school.jensuya.com. How about a circle? We're going to go into circles in the next lesson, or maybe the one after that. So, and vertical hip shimmy. Vertical hip shimmy. And it's been great dancing with you, and we'll see you on the next class.